baby. That's the amniotic fluid bag. You don't want to break that. There's an ear. Come on, girl, you want to push it out? Come on, girl.
Look at it. I didn't think she would bite it. She doesn't look that big.
When she starts pushing again, we're going to give her some help. Come on, girl.
Come on. Good girl.
I just pull up on the tail just because I think it stretches it a little bit.
The kitty's so helpful.
Come on, girl. Oh, it moved. Did you see it move?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it? You got it?
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Look at its little nose. Okay. Let's give it a push, okay? Come on, Mama Goat.
Usually after I pet her, she'll calm down and then push again.
And we have the cats helping.
Look at it.
Come on, girl. Come on.
I think she got the head out and just wants to take a break. Seems like everyone's coming to help right now.
Come on, kitty. No. Go, kitty, go.
Come here. Oh, I think that's it.
Okay, she's starting to push again, so we're going to give her some help. Come on, Mama. We're giving her some help. With each push, we're pushing down. With each push, we're pushing down. Pull, helping her pull. Helping her out. We're going to drop the sack, so we're going to help the baby breathe a little bit. Keep pulling. We don't have a foot here, so we're going to have to really pull. Here comes the foot. See the foot?
Yep.
Now that I have the foot and the head, we can get it out. Wiping off the mouth so the baby can breathe. You getting that?
Yep.
Giving her a final pull. Oh, Mama.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Pixie. Good little one. And there we go.
Oh, look at her. I'm holding her head down, cleaning her head. Got the cats helping us.
Look at it, the little mouth moving.
Gotta clean my leather gloves now. That's okay. I don't like to take too much off, except for on the nose and the mouth, so the mama can clean the rest.
And we got all the gook out of the mouth and...
Yes.
There we go. Brand new mama.
On a pretty sunny day.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
She may have another one. I hope not. I mean,
That one looks...
but her belly looks big.
There we go. And it's gonna try to move the first time. Such a precious little thing. Look. Is it cute? Besides all the blood and afterbirth. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Here we go. Look at it. I'm so glad I was able to catch this one. We might have another. Just maybe. Look. Mama, that's your baby. She's good. She's trying to stand up.